Good morning, students. I welcome you in the lecture series of Science and Technology Part 2nd. In last lecture, we have seen chapter number 2nd, Life Processes in Living Organism Part 1st. In this chapter, we have studied living organism and life processes, different life processes, living organism and energy production. How energy production by the aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration, some nutrients and energy efficiency. Just introduction of some nutrients and energy efficiency we have seen. Now in this lecture we are going to start some nutrients and energy efficiency. Energy from different food component. Excess of uh, excess of carbohydrates which are stored in the form of glucose. These carbohydrates are stored in the liver and our muscles. These in the form of the glycogen, and which is the source of the protein. The proteins are and how these proteins are made up. The nitrogenous compounds which are present, these are the sources of pulses are also there. These are the sources of the protein, and nitrogenous compounds of amino acids. By the nitrogenous compounds of amino acids, these are the mates. Proteins are the macromolecules formed by the bonding together the amino acids and bonding with togetherly many amino acids which are present into that. These proteins of animal origin, these proteins are of animals or origins, are called as a first class protein, and we can get 4 kilocalorie energy from the per energy per gram of the protein, and amino acids are obtained from the digestion of the protein. These amino acids are obtained from after the digestion of protein. Some proteins which are taken by us, this can be digested and then it will be converted into the amino acids, and those amino acids are absorbed in the body. Which is the media for absorption? Blood is the media for the absorption of these proteins, and these amino acids are absorbed in the body by the transported up to each organ each organ and cell by the blood. From these amino acids, organ and cell produces various proteins necessary for themselves and whole body. Those examples are given in this diagram. These amino acids are given in this diagram. These amino acids are obtained by the proteins, and these after the digestion of food material, these proteins will be get, and then amino acids will be obtained, and those amino acids are absorbed in the body. In this body part, those amino acids are absorbed via the blood. Blood is the fluid connective tissue. By this, these are will be absorbed, and these amino acids organ and cell, these amino acids organ and each every cells produces proteins. That means there are a given organ, for example skin, bone, cells, pancreas, pituitary glands, muscles, blood, these are given there, and these are produces various proteins necessary for themselves and then whole to the body. See skin, in that skin which are their protein melanin and keratin. In a bone, oosine is there. In a cells of various proteins of a cell membrane and various enzymes are there. Pancreas, in a pancreas, insulin and trypsin. Out of that insulin, you know that for the digestion of the sugar, the conversion of this insulin is enzyme is necessary. Pituitary gland, various hormones are present in a pituitary gland. In last year we have seen that in a muscles, actin and myosin flexible proteins are present, and in a blood, hemoglobin and antibodies are present there. Excess amino acids which is present often from the proteins are not stored into the body. They are broken down and the ammonia will be formed, is eliminated out of from the body, and if necessary excess of protein are converted into the other useful substances like the glucose, through which processes gluconeogenesis. Plant produces necessary amino acids from the mineral dinova and thereby produces a different types of proteins. An enzyme rubisco, this enzyme is present into the plant chloroplast. You know that chloroplast, in that rubisco enzyme is present, which is most abundant protein found in the nature, which is this rubisco. You know that lipids, from where do we obtain the lipids? Lipids can be obtained from the oil, butter, ghee. Some oil seeds are also there, in that lipids are also there, and these lipid substances which are formed by a specific chemical bond. This lipid formed by the chemical bond between the fatty acid and alcohol. These lipids will be formed by between the two components between the fatty acids. First one is the fatty acid, second one is the alcohol. By the bonding between them, lipids will be formed. Digestion of that lipid consumed by us nothing but there is a conversion into the fatty acid and alcohol. These fatty acids are again absorbed and distributed everywhere within the body, and those fatty acids, different cell produces various substances which are necessary to body. For example, the molecules which are called as a phospholipids, which are essential for producing the plasma membrane, are formed from the fatty acids, and besides fatty acids are used to producing hormones. Which hormones are there? Like a progesterone hormone, estrogen, testosterone. These hormones, in last year we have seen that these hormones, this progesterone, estrogen and testosterone, these hormones are covering around the axons of the these hormones are producing by the fatty acid. For this production of these hormones, fatty acids are used. The covering around the axon. Now you know that nerve cell, and in that axon and neurons part are there, and the covering of that axon nerve cells, we get 9 kilocalorie energy. 9 kilocalorie energy per gram of lipid. By the protein 4 calorie energy, and by the lipid how much? Now 9 kilocalorie energy. And excess of lipids are stored into the adipose connective tissue in the body. Adipose connective, you know that adipose connective tissue, in that excess of lipid will be stored. Now many times you cannot eat hot food due to the inflammation, ulceration in the mouth. The inflammation or ulceration in the mouth occurs due to the lack of vitamins in our diet. Our diet, lack of vitamins, and therefore hot and spicy food which is uncomfortable, which particularly which vitamin is there? Vitamin B complex deficiency. Vitamin B complex deficiency is there, then it will be uncomfortable to eat this hot food or because of ulceration or inflammation. And particularly vitamin B complex deficiency is said to the responsible for the ulceration. Sometimes a person experience a difficulty in a night vision since their childhood of illness. For a better vision of vitamin A is essential, and if there is a deficiency of vitamin A, then in the diet there is a difficulty in a night vision, even in a childhood also and in adultness also. Vitamins are the group of heterogeneous compounds. Heterogeneous, different types of compounds are included into the vitamins. This is the group of the heterogeneous compound, of which each is essential for proper operation of various processes in the body. There are main 6 types of vitamins are there. Which are they? Vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, and vitamin E, and last one is the vitamin K. Out of that, vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K, which are fat soluble, whereas vitamin B and C are a water soluble. That means out of that 6 vitamin, 2 are the water soluble. Which are they? B vitamin and vitamin C. These are the water soluble, and other vitamin A, D, E, K, these are the fat solubles. We have seen that the FADH2 and NADH2 in a glycolysis, these are producing in the process of the glycolysis and Krebs cycle. These vitamins like the riboflavin, that means vitamin B, and a nicotinamide, that means vitamin 5. These are these are necessary for the production. There are 65 to 70% water in our body out of total liquid part in body, blood, plasma, like this. There is about 65 to 75% water in our body, and each cell contains how much water? 70% water, weight by weight. Blood plasma also contains 90% of water. Blood plasma which is present into the blood, in that also 90% of water, and functioning of the cell, and thereby whole body disturbed even if there is a little loss of water from the body. And in a summer season, you have seen that the water level in our body will be low. In that water is essential in our body. Water is essential nutrient of our body, along with all the mentioned nutrients. Which nutrients are mentioned in this chart? These in fact we cannot digest the fibers. With the help of the digestion of other substances, digestions of these undigested substances, we can obtain the fibers from the leafy vegetables, fruits, cereals. By this we will get the these vitamins. Okay. Now let us start new point, cell division. This cell division is called as an essential life process. This cell division is called as an essential life process. Why it is called as an essential life process? Because for the reproduction or for the formation of the new species of any species of any animal or plant, this cell division is necessary. What happened to the cell of injured tissue? What happened to the cell of injured tissue after the injury of our body? Suppose on our body, after injury, the cells and the tissues are not able to perform the regular function. Any part where injury is there, they are not able to form, not able to perform the regular function immediately. Then at that site of injury, the the capillaries uh, which will be which will be re, which will be mm, again this capillaries will be an area get inflamed. These many cells are damaged and the pain receptor nerve indicates this pain. Whether new cells are formed during the healing of wound. As the wound heals, there is a scab develop, and the cell surrounding the wound starts to dividing rapidly, and those cells are lost injury are restored back. These cells will be again restored back, and in this way the new cells are formed by the cell division, and this heal will be wound will be healed. Do the plant get injured when do we pluck the flower? When we are plucking the flower, these plants will be injured. It was thought that plants do not have a nervous system. We having nervous system like that plants are not having nervous system, so that do not have a sensation. If nervous system is there, then and then only sensation will be there. Then so they do not have sensation, but a recent discovery have proved that plants are also sensation. There not no, in a plant nervous system is not there, but in a recent discovery plants are also having the sensation, and the tissue that are lost get restored by the cell division. When we are any pluck the flower or any branch, these plants are also having sensation, and after the after this tissue will be go undergo the cell division, and that part will be restored. How does the growth of any living organism occurs? Does the number of cell in their body increases? If yes, how it will be possible? Any living organism grows due to the increase in the number of cell in their body. The cell divides regularly, and the new cells which are essential for the growth. The cell division is thus necessary for the growth of the body and also for the regeneration and repair of that tissue. How does the new individual of a species is formed, forming a existing one of the same species? Due to the reproduction, new individual will be formed. You know that reproduction, by the reproduction any individual will be formed, and reproduction can be occurs by the two methods. First one is the sexual method, second one is the asexual method. And in a asexual reproduction, mitosis is there, and in a sexual reproduction, gamete formation is there. Reduction, this is called as a meiosis. That means asexual reproduction occurs by the process of mitosis, and asexual reproduction occurs by the process of the meiosis. And due to the chromosomes, genes and DNA, are new individuals of a species becomes similar to the existing species. By this cell division, new organism is created, and growth of that multicellular organism will be there. Restoration of injured and emaciated of that body, and there are a main two types. There are a main two types of cell division. First one is the mitosis, second one is the meiosis. In a mitosis, somatic cells are there. Somatic and stem cells divided by the mitosis. Mitosis is completed through two main steps. there are two main steps. First one is the karyokinosis. Karyokinosis, in that means in a nuclear, in that karyokinosis nuclear division will be there, and second one is the cytokinosis. In that cytoplasmic division will be there. And this karyokinosis, first one is the karyokinosis. This karyokinosis is completed to the four steps. First one is the prophase, second one is the metaphase, third one is the anaphase, and fourth one is the telophase. This mitosis occurs by the division of a somatic cells, that means except than the reproductive cells which are present in our body. Somatic cells, that means except than the reproductive organ. In a reproductive organ, which cells are present, these cells are called as a germ cells, and except from the germ cells, which cells are there, these are called as a somatic cells. And stem cell, that means germ cells. These are the divided by the these somatic cells are divided by cells and stem cells of the body, whereas meiosis occurs in the germ cells. That means somatic cells and stem cells, these are divided by the mitosis. And before study this cell division, we should know that the structural organization of the cell, and we have to study we have already studied in earlier classes the cell, which cell having nucleus. Beside this nucleus, different types of cell organelles are there, and these are present also. These cell organelles are present into that cytoplasm. Now let us study the cell division with the help of this mitosis. First, in a mitosis, two stages are there. Karyokinosis, that means this karyokinosis cell division occurs in a nuclear division, and in a cytokinosis, cytoplasmic division is there. In a karyokinosis, four steps are there. First one is the prophase, second one is the metaphase, third one is the anaphase, and fourth one is the telophase. In a first stage is a prophase, and this will be occurs because of the chromosomes. This mitosis, in that mitosis, somatic cell and germ cells are divided by the mitosis. Mitosis is completed by the two steps, which are the first one is the karyokinosis and second one is the cytokinosis. In a karyokinosis, first one is the prophase. You can observe this diagram. In that prophase, then metaphase, then anaphase, then telophase, and these are occurs in the first step, which first phase is there. Karyokinosis, this will be occurs in a karyokinosis, and this will be occurs in the after this occurs in a cytokinosis. In a prophase, condensation of basically thin thread like chromosomes starts. Due to this, their condensation of that chromosomes, these chromosomes are undergoing the condensation, and due to this they becomes too short and thick, and they starts to appear along with their pair of sister chromatids. Centrioles will be duplicate, and each centriole moves to the opposite pole. Each centriole will be moves to the opposite pole. You can see in this diagram, this centrioles can be at this both poles will be centrioles will be duplicate, and each centriole moves on opposite pole of that cell. Nuclear membrane and nucleolus starts to disappear. In a metaphase, in this nuclear membrane is completely disappear. In that nuclear membrane. In a metaphase, nuclear membrane is completely disappear and chromosomes and complete their condensation, which is start in a prophase. This condensation will be completed into the metaphase, and we can see the becomes a clearly visible along with the sister chromatids, and all chromosomes are arranged parallel to the equatorial pole. These chromosomes are arranged in a parallel and in at a equatorial pole. These chromosomes and equatorial pole. Between these, special type of flexible protein of that cell, special type of flexible protein, spindle fibers are formed between the centromere of each chromosomes and both centriole. After this, third one is the anaphase. In the anaphase, centrioles splits. In this anaphase, centrioles will be split and centromere splits, and thereby sister chromatids will be of each chromosome separates, and there are pulled apart to opposite direction with the help of the spindle fiber, and separated sister chromatids are called as a daughter cells. Sister chromatids are called as a daughter cells, and chromosomes being pulled appear like in a bunch of bananas. In that bunch of bananas, chromosomes will be appear like a bunch of banana, and in this way each set of chromosome reach to the opposite pole. And in the last telophase, the chromosomes which have reached at the opposite pole of the cell now start to decondense, and due to which they again become the thread-like and invisible. Nuclear membrane is formed around each cell of that chromosome. Around each cell of that chromosomes, and at the pole, and thus the two daughter nuclei are formed in this cell. Nucleus is also appears in each daughter cell. In each daughter cell, you can see that there is a nucleus is present, and completely fibers are disappear. And after this karyokinosis, cytokinosis is there. In this cytokinosis, two new cells are formed. In this cytokinosis, two new cells are formed, and the cytoplasm divides completely, and in this process a notch between this a notch is there. Notch will be formed at the equatorial plane of cell, and which dips gradually, and thereby two new cells are formed. In case of plant cells, instead of notch, a cell plate is formed, and exactly along the midline, and of that cell, and the cytokinosis is completed, and by the mitosis. Mitosis is essential for the growth of our body, and besides it is necessary for the restoration of a emaciated body and for the formations of the blood cell. This mitosis is also necessary. Next, we have completed in this lecture cell division having two types, mitosis and meiosis. And in that mitosis, two types are there, karyokinosis and cytokinosis. In a karyokinosis, four steps are there: prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. These phases, by these phases we have seen the mitosis, and in the next lecture we will continue the meiosis. Thank you.